Hello everyone, my name is Rajlakshmi and I am a release lead shadow for 1.35. A brief intro about myself. I was a release signal lead for 1.34 and joined a release team in 1.33 as release signal shadow. So that's my past experience with the release team. I majorly look into the CI dashboards, the pro job failures, even at my workplace. Um, so let's get started. And I'll be the host for this 1.35 release team meeting today. Today, October 8th, and we are in the week 4 of the release cycle. Please be aware that this is Kubernetes community meeting, which falls under the Kubernetes code of conduct, which can be summarized to be excellent to each other. Thank you all. This meeting is recorded and will be publicly posted on YouTube. So please be mindful of what you say is being recorded. Let's move on to the open discussion section. So in open discussion, I see a note by Sriram asking if we should add uh, at-risk PRR freeze and tracked for PRR freeze to the enhancements team update template. Is Sriram around? Or anybody from enhancements team, would you like to answer this question here by Sriram?
Probably I can. I think we should, because going forward we are also tracking the PRR fees, so I think it makes sense to have it as a template.
Okay, I've just added a note for them to look into the upcoming meeting. Let's move on to the team updates. Coming to enhancements team update. Subhashmita, I think you can go ahead.
Hi. So our current status is green. We have like tracked all of the old and new enhancements with all of the PR outreach done, and the tracking board is updated. So there are specific details like 43 KIPs are in alpha, 29 in beta, 18 in stable, and one tag test application. And we'll be having our PRR freeze party later tomorrow to go through all of the KIPs that are at risk for PRR freeze. And yeah, we'll be finalizing the status, and this is our update for this meeting.
Okay. Thank you. Any queries for enhancements team? If not, let's move ahead with the release signal. Adil?
Okay.
Yes,
Can you
so our current status is red. We have 2 filling jobs in master informing. Sorry, 1 in the CAPC and 2 in the 6 scalability. For the release, our status is green. We can do the release. We have confirmed with the 6. These are not release blocking, but our board is still red. So yeah, this is our current status.
Okay. Thank you. Any questions for release signal? Yeah, if not, let's move on to docs update to Urvashi.
Yeah, hey, so I'll be giving the docs update. So our official 1.35 release docs PR has been created and it will be merged during the end of the release itself. And the weekly branching PR has also been merged. And we are waiting on the PR, like version 1.3 alpha 1 release cut, and then we'll be drafting the next release notes PR. So our next steps would be we have begun dividing up the enhancements between our team members, and as soon as we approach the enhancements feed that is across like around 16 October, we'll send a reminder for the draft peer deadlines. Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good. Thank you. Any questions for docs team? Thanks, Tushar. Let's move on to comms update from Swati.
Yes, hello everyone. So the current status of the comms team is green. So the comms team deadline and plan were approved by the lead and lead shadows. So you can just find it in the team progress issue. There's a link there. The shadows were all added to the appropriate mailing list, but I think the only one which was left was the release team mailing list, which had to be done post a merged PR. So that's also done now. And the comms opt-in assignee will be selected by the end of the week for each KEP in the tracking board, and will start the first feature block opt-in after the enhancements freeze.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks for comms update, Swati. Any questions for comms sub team? Yeah, if not, let's move on to release branch management. Sriram has written the update here. I'll read it out. So 1.35 Alpha 1 cut will be out today. So as they have received go signal from release signal team, they're planning to start the cut around 7:30 UTC, which will be close to an hour from now. So in the release management channel, there will be a thread posted once the release cut starts. So eventually, the process will be updated there for our updates. Yeah, there isn't any update from CAT. And moving on to the release lead updates, tracking and support for this week's the major milestones are the Alpha 1 cut, which will be happening today, and the PRR freeze, which is due on Thursday. So that is in progress, and the comms team deadlines and the plan is set. And yeah, the message from Drew is that we are all doing great. Yeah, I've come to the end of sub team updates. There's nothing from six scalability. Are there any generic questions or something that team wants to discuss apart from sub team updates? Okay. If that's all, I'll end the recording. Thanks everyone for joining the call.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll stop the recording now.